We are at the Atmosphere conference and I have Zoltán Nagy with me. Hello Zoltán.
Hello.
How do you like the Atmosphere conference?
I love it. I'm having a great time.
Yeah. What's the talk you like the most?
I have to pick one? No. All right. I really love the talks by Duncan. That was about their infinite number of microservices at Wunderlist and the very heterogeneous environment they have. There's lots of languages, and also I think it was Jason with their massively multiplayer online thing based on Erlang and Elixir. That was really inspiring.
Mm-hmm. Okay, your talk was about your company, so I will ask you a few questions about Prezi.com. How big team you have right now? Maybe not team. How many people are in Prezi.com?
Prezi now is exactly 250 employees. Most of them are in Hungary, in their offices in Budapest. I don't know the exact numbers, but there's some of them in our San Francisco office, mostly focusing on marketing, sales, and development related to that. That's the big picture, yeah.
Okay, and you create microservices too, and use them. How does it look in your company?
Right. So the basic idea we're going with now is a microservice is something that encapsulates data and also some, let's say business logic. And we're trying to provide a tooling and platform so that feature teams can create these services whenever it makes sense for them to do so.
Mm-hmm. So your talk was about how you use DevOps, the whole idea, the culture, right, in a company. So, shortly, in a few sentences, how does it look like?
Wow. All right. So, first things first, we don't have an operations team. We have something called, we're calling it the critical backend services team. These teams are responsible for critical backend services, but it's not just operation, but usually all kinds of development and anticipating problems and also sharing with the company whatever learned during this, so that when someone else needs in the company to build a service, they can already use whatever we've learned, whatever tools, processes we've built, so that they don't need to, go through this whole painful process again. They can move faster, develop and ship features faster for a product, so that we can all move faster as a company.
This year, you've come here with Dani again. He came again, and he brought you
yes.
With himself. So. Is the Atmosphere conference that great?
Absolutely. Donny said really great things about last year's conference, and I don't think he was exaggerating. So there are really great talks from both the culture end of things and both from the technological end of things, and it's really great to be able to have these very direct conversations with people who are kind of leading this field.
Who do you think should come to Atmosphere?
Wow.
Who is it for?
I guess it's for whoever thinks. Right. I'd say maybe for whoever feels that they could improve the way they do things, be that processes around shipping software or technological stuff like, build process, log shipping, all that's been covered.
Mm-hmm. You are from Hungary, so I will ask about it. Do you have conferences about DevOps or maybe similar topics in your country?
Sometimes. So conferences, not so much. There are quite a few meetups in Budapest that happen semi-regularly. And there are quite a few conferences that are focused on, mostly just software craftsmanship in general, or some specific fields like JavaScript, but not DevOps as far as I remember.
Okay. So maybe we will see you next year.
I hope so.
Okay, I will remember about you next year. I hope you will enjoy the end of the conference.
Thank you.
So Zoltán Nagy was our guest at Atmosphere conference. Thank you very much.
Thank you.